Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when 5 power x plus 5 power 3x is equals to 10 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video. So here 5 power 3x is given. So I can write it as, according to the exponent 2, x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So 5 power 3x, I can write it as 5 power x power 3. So I'm going to replace it. So 5 power x plus 5 power x power 3 is equals to 10. Now I'll consider let z is equals to 5 power x. So I can write it as z plus z cube is equals to 10. If I'll take all the variables terms here, so z cube plus z minus 10 is equals to 0. So I can write z as z cube minus 4z plus 5z minus 10 is equals to 0. If I take z as common, so z square minus 4, and here if I'll take 5 as common, so z minus 2 is equals to 0. So our bracket is z square minus 4. So I can write 4 as 2 square, and here I can use the formula a square minus b square as a plus b or a minus b. So I can write it as z plus 2 or z minus 2. So here z plus 2, z minus 2 plus 5, and in bracket z minus 2 is equals to 0. So I can take z minus 2 as common. So z minus 2 is common. So what is left? Z plus 2 plus 5 is equals to 0. Now z minus 2, I can write it as z square minus 2z plus 5 is equals to 0. Now we have two roots. So either z minus 2 is equals to 0. So the value of z will be 2. And in this case, z square minus 2z plus 5 is equals to 0. We can use the discriminant b square minus 4ac to find the roots. So here b is coefficient of z and a is coefficient of z square and c is the constant. So b square means minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 5. So minus 2 square is 4 minus 20, that is minus 16, which is less than 0. So this can't be our answer. So now the value of z is 2. So as you know, we'll take z is equals to 5x. So we can replace it. So in place of z, I'm writing 5 power x is equals to 2. Or I can take log both sides. So log 5 power x is equals to log 2. Or I can divide both sides by log 5. Or the above term, I can write it as x log 5 by log 5 is equals to log 2 by log 5. So if I eliminate, the value of x is log 5 and x will be equals to 0.430677. That's how you can find the value of x. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.